Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 828693 8286.
To keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is the SDF, rate remains at 6.25%, and the marginal standing facility, that is the MSF rate, remains at MSF rate and the bank rate, they remain at 6.75%. The MPC also decided by a majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. I shall now briefly set out the rationale for these decisions. Since the last policy, the growth inflation dynamics have played out favorably. Growth has continued to sustain its momentum, surpassing all projections. Headline inflation has eased to 5.1% during both January and February, and this has come down to 5.1% in these 2 months from the earlier peak of 5.7% in the month of December.